Welcome to Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Strength Training Exercises. So this video goes along with your Tai Chi video of the day. All right, so if you haven't watched that yet, make sure after this to go below the video in the description and you can sign up for the whole program for free and get an email every day sent directly to your inbox. You can also go to our YouTube channel, go to our main page, and you can go to our playlist, which has all the videos of this program right on our YouTube page. Begin with breath Tai Chi. All right, so today we're gonna do a movement called the shoulder press. All right, this is gonna be really great to strengthen the joints and the muscles of the shoulders, the upper body, but it's also gonna work the core, especially you can do it sitting or standing. I'm gonna demonstrate it standing today, but it really works the whole body if you activate the right muscles for this. And I'll show you just how to do that now. All right, let's start off with just going over the movement, all right, and then we'll add in some weight. All right, so if you want, you can go ahead and you can pause this if you're watching the replay and just go over and grab yourself some light weights, maybe a 1 pound dumbbell or two 1 pound dumbbells if you have those, or you can grab soup cans. You can use pretty much whatever you like. You can get creative water bottles if you have those, but just a little bit of weight can give you a little more feedback. So it makes you feel like you're doing something. So that's usually the best way to do it. All right, now this is called the shoulder press. All right, so this is going to be great for people that want to build strength, but also if you want to prevent osteoporosis and and osteopenia. All right, so those two things happen as we get older for many people. So this can actually prevent it, or you can even start to reverse it with this movement. All right, it helps to actually increase your bone mineral density of the upper body. So it's really good because Tai Chi is great for the whole body, especially the lower body, but adding in a little bit of weight is gonna also help the upper body even more. All right, so we wanna start off by standing with the feet about shoulder width apart. You wanna keep your knees slightly bent so that they're not rigid and locked out. All right, you wanna make sure your spine is nice and tall. And then once again, we're gonna start off with just the arm movements. So first we'll go over the hand positions. So we make two fists, but we want the fists to face each other. That's called a neutral grip. All right, so we have an overhand grip where your kind of arms are like you're holding something over it. Then there's an underhand grip where it's like you are holding something and your hands are under it. And then there's neutral. All right, so we want to use a neutral grip. All right, bend your elbows and just bring your elbows in towards your sides. All right, this is going to be the safest way to do the shoulder press. There's many ways to do it. All right, but this is a really good one to do. All right, so first let's just do one arm at a time. All right, so just basically like you're punching up to the sky and come back down. All right, and then we'll do the other side. All right, so you can do a few of those. Maybe even notice if there's a difference side to side. All right, and if there is, that's okay. That's just where you're at. All right, over time, the more you do these, then you'll start to build more symmetry as well, especially if you do them one at a time. All right, but if they feel pretty even, especially, we're gonna do both together, especially if you're short on time, then you can do them together. All right, so just going up and down, but see how my elbows are pretty close, so I don't want my elbows to go way out. I wanna keep them in. All right, that's gonna be the safest way on your joints, but also a great way to strengthen them as well. All right, so we're gonna do 10 repetitions altogether, but this is just the demonstration part, but you can follow along as well. All right, maybe take a break too, shake it out. All right, now we'll do another 10 reps without weight. All right, so you can do it with me. You wanna keep your eyes just looking straight ahead. Another thing you can do to protect your back is to squeeze your glute muscles, your butt muscles. All right, that's gonna create this stable base for you. All right, and so if not, what tends to happen is a lot of times people might do a back arch, okay, and then that can actually cause back issues. We wanna keep the back stable. One way you can do that is by squeezing the glutes, and then that way your back won't move as much. All right, but you really want to prevent yourself from arching for this one because adding weight on an arched spine can be problematic for some. All right, so, but if you keep your spine neutral, you should be fine. All right, let's do that. I'll show you from the side, okay? So we can do one at a time, but see how my back's not moving much because I'm squeezing my butt muscles here. Because if not, then it's easier to kind of reach up like that. Now, you might also find that you can't go up as much. Maybe you have to go out because if I try to go straight up, then I start to arch, all right? So we don't want that. We wanna just go up as much as you can without arching, all right? So that's about as far as I can go before I start to arch. So this is where I'm gonna go, is right here. So it's kind of up and forward a little bit. All right, but go up as much as you can straight ahead without leaning back. All right, but that's gonna be comfortable for me. So I'm gonna do it like that. All right, you might have to go out a little bit more. All right, it might be more like a forward punch in a way, depending on how tight your shoulders are. All right, both together. So now we get a sense. All right, let's do 10 together now that you have a really good sense of the proper mechanics, body mechanics. All right, so remember, elbows tucked in, fists neutral, and we're gonna do 2, we'll do them both together. Ready? And we'll go. 1, 2, so breathing out. Breathing in, 3. Breathe out, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. All right, so notice how I was cueing you to breathe out during the hard part. So that's a really good way to do it. But you can always switch it. It really just matters that you're breathing. All right, that's the biggest thing. All right, now if your arms are like, whoa, I'm already feeling that, then you don't have to continue anymore. You're good for the day. So 10 reps, and you can maybe, once you finish the program, you can do these up to 3 times a week to start. All right, take a day off in between just to give your muscles, especially if you use weight, give your muscles time to rest. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna do it with weight though, for those that wanna see what that looks like. All right, these are just 1-pound dumbbells. You can get them pretty much online, like Amazon or wherever is a good spot. And once again, neutral grip. So the weights are facing each other. So remember, this is overhand. This would be underhand. We're neutral. All right, so your palms are facing each other, but you're in a fist. All right, elbows in, squeeze the glute muscles, the butt muscles. Let's do one at a time. So 1, we'll just do maybe 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. All right, then we take a little break, see how that feels. All right, and then if you want, you can do them both together to save time if they felt pretty even. If they weren't very even, then I would do them one at a time. And that way the other one can get the workout it needs to start to get more symmetrical. But if you do them both together, then one's gonna always kind of be slacking a little bit. It might not get the amount of exercise it needs. All right, let's just say they were pretty even. So now we're gonna do them together. So remember, breathe out as you punch to the sky. Breathe in, and 2. Breathe out for 3. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, in. All right, I kind of lost track. We'll say that's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so there is your exercise for the day. The shoulder press, really good for building strength and endurance of the upper body, but also bone mineral density to help with osteoporosis and osteopenia. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.